Hello traders. In this video, I am taking a look at way to stars EA, an automated trading system developed for MT4. Now, before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Now, let's just jump straight into the MQL5 Marketplace page and see what this EA is all about. Looking at the listing, Way to Stars EA is developed by Way2 and is currently priced at 599 US dollars. The version shown here is version 1.26 with the latest updates listed as September 17, 2024. The developer also notes that the next price increase will take the EA to 699 US dollars. According to the description, Way to Stars is a night scalping EA designed to trade during periods of lower market volatility. Now, the idea behind the system is to capture relatively small price movements through frequent trading opportunities while maintaining a structured approach to risk management. As I continue through the product page, the recommended currency pair is GBPUSD, while the EA can be loaded on any time frame. One important point mentioned by the developer is that the system does not use grid trading or martingale techniques and operates with only a single trade at a time. Okay, the feature section provides a bit more insight into how the EA approaches risk control. The developer states that positions can be split into smaller orders to help reduce risk exposure. And in addition, the system includes controls for limiting the maximum number of positions and managing maximum floating loss percentages. Another practical feature highlighted here is the automatic adjustment of trading times based on time zones and daylight saving time changes. For traders running automated systems over long periods, this can help maintain consistency without requiring manual schedule adjustments throughout the year. The developer also mentions that the EA is suitable, for smaller account sizes and suggests using low spread, high liquidity brokers, and all of that, right? This is particularly relevant for night trading strategies where spread conditions can have a significant impact on trade execution. Now, let's just move over to the historical testing section. One of the most important notes provided on the marketplace page relates directly to backtesting. Okay, the developer explains that MT4 has limitations when it comes to simulating real-time variable spreads during night trading conditions. Okay, now because of this, historical backtest results on MT4 may differ significantly from actual trading performance. In fact, the developer specifically recommends using the MT5 version for backtesting and selecting the every tick based on real ticks testing mode to achieve more realistic simulations. I think that's an important piece of information to keep in mind when evaluating any historical analysis associated with this system. All right, now let's just head over to the strategy tester. We are going to be testing the Way to Stars MT4 EA on GBPUSD on our preferred time frame. So we can see that we are testing the EA on the H1 time frame, GBPUSD as recommended, Way to Stars. We're testing from the beginning of this year, 1st January 2026 till date, so that we can capture a reasonable, data for the back testing. And now heading over to the reports, we can see that, from an initial deposit of $50,000, the total net profit made was $2,976.4, and the total trades taken were 20 short positions with a 95% win rate, 20 long positions with 70% win rate. The largest profit was $1,840.65, and the largest loss was $10,818.24. Now the average profit was $745.4 and the average loss was $3,088.84. So judging from the profits and loss information we have here, the risk to reward ratio is pretty bad, right? And then if you also look at the maximum consecutive wins, the maximum consecutive wins were 9, but those 9 wins resulted in only $6,626.84. But now, if you look at the maximum consecutive losses, it was just 1, but that single loss was $10,818.24. Okay, this is not impressive. All right, now let's just quickly look at the graph. We can see how, the graph is not impressive as well. The balance equity curve. Initially, there was a steady rise and then a sharp decline and then just a wavy pattern, and then it began to rise gradually again. Okay, so it's not a very it's not a very reliable equity curve. And let's just look at the chart. Okay, I'm just going to turn on the visual mode so that we can actually see how the EA looks like in action. Okay, so as I review the historical chart activity, the behavior, we will be expecting it to be consistent with the EA stated focus on lower volatility trading periods. Beyond that, I wouldn't make assumptions about the exact entry logic or internal decision making process, since those details are not disclosed on the product page. Instead, I prefer to focus on how the trades were managed throughout the testing period and how the overall equity curve behaved across different market conditions. Okay, so we can already see the EA being active. All right, I'm still going to recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, so you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions. As always, historical backtest results and historical testing performance should never be interpreted as guarantees of future returns. Okay, actual results can vary depending on broker execution, spread conditions, slippage, risk settings, lot sizing, market volatility, and user optimization choices. Overall, the way to stars EA presents itself as a GBPUSD focused night scalping system with an emphasis on risk management, controlled position exposure, and low volatility trading conditions. Okay, so the detailed notes regarding backtesting limitations and broker conditions are useful considerations for anyone evaluating the EA. And as always, thorough testing on your own setup is highly recommended before considering live deployment. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.